So today is officially my birthday and I am 34 years old. And I just dropped my daughter off at school, and I also went and completed my ritual on Fridays, which every Friday I go and pick up some roses for myself, a dozen of roses. And it just so happens that today is Friday and today is also my birthday. So I'm super excited about that. And I got a dozen of roses, which is beautiful. I love roses. Like, it's my thing. And so I'm always practicing some type of like self-love, self-care. And that's just something I decided to do for myself on Fridays. I highly recommend that you guys come up with something that makes you feel good about yourself, where you're giving back to yourself. It's very important to do that and acknowledge yourself. So today is going to be super busy. My friends are taking me out, but they're not telling me where we're going. So I am lost in the sauce, but I need to prep for it. I need to go to the grocery store as well so I can buy some items. I do want to point out that the only reason why I go to the grocery store every single day is because it's a great distraction for me. I love going to the grocery store every day. It makes me feel great. So I have no complaints about that. I think you should do whatever works for you. That's just my thing. So if you don't want to go to the grocery store every day, it is not recommended to do that. I just love doing it. So yeah. So I'll be going to the grocery store, and oh my God, what else do I have to do? I will be out shopping, just fun stuff. But most importantly, I will be prepping today. So of course, I am going to take you guys through that prep process because I have to give you insight. So I'll be taking you through that prep process, and let's start our day. So I decided to come to Macy's. I love Macy's. It's just my go-to place. So let's talk about convenience. So as you can see, I have my juice in my purse. Very convenient. And yeah, I just keep it in there, drink it when I need it. These shoes are so fire. And if I didn't just get similar shoes from Target yesterday, I would definitely be getting these. Oh my God, too cute. I love this sequin blazer. I think it's really cute for like a holiday party or something, but I really came here to get a bottle of Chanel perfume. I've been contemplating on it over the past few weeks and just decided to get it today. After all, it is my birthday. I had to take a break because we was walking all day, but I am about to finish this up and then I'm going to head to the car. Woo! Busy day. This is my second bottle since I've been out today, and just to let you guys in on a little secret, I like chugging my juice when I'm out. I can sip on it a few times, but eventually I will stop and finish the bottle. I enjoy my juice, I just hate sipping and walking. I like to sit and enjoy it. Now I'm headed to the grocery store to start prepping for tonight. I love distilled water. This is the type of water that I get. 2 of those. And now let's go to get some produce. Well, I don't know much about breaking my juice fast. I'm still learning, but I was told to get some vegetable stock because it's easier on the stomach. I don't know. So I decided to pick some up, and it doesn't expire until 2023. So that's great. So I can have it sitting, but I need to do more research because I don't really truly know the steps of breaking a juice fast. So bear with me. Now to the fun part. So I'm picking up some papaya. I love papaya. Getting some pineapples. As you guys know, I keep pineapples in the house. Green apples. I never usually get the red apples. I always get the green. And I'm making some watermelon juice. A lot of people asked, why do I use so much fruit? I love fruit. I feel like it's the only thing that gives me energy on this juice fast, and I'm not going to neglect that because of whatever reason. So I keep fruit, and I also mix greens in it as well because I do need my greens. Happy birthday. But what's a birthday without shots? So we have to take shots, you guys. So I have my tray of shots right here. And this is my watermelon and ginger shot. So ginger is in all of them. Woo, I put a lot of ginger in this one, but really good. Watermelon and ginger together is, awkward combination, something that I just put together today, but I like it, so I may do that again. This is what did I put in here? Mixed greens, half a cucumber, and ginger, of course. So I taste this before I actually put it in there, and well, before I put it in the shot glass, and it was really good. So I decided to do 2 shots of that. So cheers. Whew. Whew. Very strong. So we will be taking shots throughout the day. And my next shot, just to give you a little insight, will be a cayenne pepper type of shot. So I want all my shots to be strong today. I want it to be fruity, but with a little bit of kick to it. And so I feel like ginger and cayenne pepper definitely does the job. So I will be doing that. It's time for me to start prepping. So that means I need to change clothes. So I need to go ahead and do that because your girl needs to be ready to go when it's time to go. I'm so excited to see what they have planned for me. And it's interesting because it's like, what could we do that doesn't involve food? I mean, it's a lot you could do that doesn't involve food, but it's just like, I'm just anxious. I'm super excited about it. So let me go ahead and change clothes and take you on this journey through this prepping process because you guys know it gets brutal. So let's get into it. So y'all know what we do when we get home. We love to try out our stuff. Ooh, this smells amazing. Oh my God. This smells amazing. So I'm about to see if I can find something on TV really quick because I'm just gonna chill out before I take my next shot. Okay. Are y'all down for the shot? Let me know. Let me know. I have my juice. So I'm gonna drink the rest of this, chill out, take my shots, because it's my birthday. So I made these 3 shots. This right here is kale pineapple with a little bit of cucumber. This right here is carrot and turmeric with a little bit of cucumbers. And this right here is ginger. What else did I put in here? Ginger and cucumbers and a little bit of pineapples. So I am going to start off with this shot right here. Woo! Another shot. Amazing. Ooh, very spicy. I put a lot of cayenne pepper in there. I put cayenne pepper in here too. I forgot to mention that. And this one. Woo! The prepping process is now in full effect. I always have to have me some fruit because, as I mentioned, it gives me energy. I also will be juicing some papaya today. I usually don't juice papaya because it's so expensive, but decided to purchase it today because I had some extra money. A lot of people were asking me, like, how much money do you spend a week? And do you just juice the same thing every week? Every week is different. I purchase items based on what I can fit into my budget. Before I started this journey, I promised myself that I wouldn't use money as an excuse to quit, and I vowed to keep my word. Sometimes we make so many excuses thinking that it changes things, and it doesn't. You really have to be creative and figure out what you're able to spend and how you'll be able to make it through the week with just that amount. Once you set your mind to get things done, trust me, you will make it happen. The juicing part is always the easiest part. One thing I love the most about my juices is the colors. I'm unsure if that's strange, but I love that most of my juices match my fall color theme. It also helps me to identify what ingredients are in each juice just by looking at the color. I'm trying to push through at this point because it's crunch time, and wherever my friends are taking me, they had to make reservations, so I cannot be late. So I need to push through ASAP because this process is fun for me, but at the same time, I need to get out the door quick.
So at this point, I am already late. So I had to call them to let them know that I will be running 15 minutes late. And that's only because I'm vlogging. If I was not vlogging, I would have been done a long time ago. But it's just a part of my process. Like, I juice every day, but I also reserve time for vlogging as well, which kind of extend the 2 hours to more like 4 hours. But I definitely want to document this because I want to help everyone on their journey and give them like a realistic insight on what it's like, being a mom and juicing and, in the kitchen all day. It's just something that I feel like should be shared. So, I'm sharing it with you guys, but now I'm done. So let's get out the door like ASAP. So I'm at my friend's house, and she got me a gift. So apparently they weren't ready either. So I decided to use this time to really just drink one of my juices. I had about 2 while I was there. As you guys know, I do travel with my jar of ice. So I put my ice in there and I had a few while I was there. And I am super excited to see where they're taking me. Like, I thought I was so cute. You couldn't tell me anything. But we went to Sip and Paint. I never been to Sip and Paint before. So I'm super excited that they brought me here because it was super fun. I love the staff. They were so supportive of me being on a juice fast. And they offered me water. Like, do you need anything? Like, are you okay? Like, it was just a very loving environment. They didn't care that I brought my juices with me because I thought that would be a concern for them, but they weren't concerned at all. They were like, you can bring the whole casing here if you want. And it was just a loving environment. So I now feel like I'm an artist because my painting came out amazing. Like, I really should be an artist at this point because I caught on and I made it happen. We are ending our night with shots, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed my birthday and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.